What's up guys, it's Aaron from How To's by Bros. Today I'm going to show you how to throw a dodgeball fast and hard. So the first step is warming up, right? You want to warm up properly. So warm up with some arm circles. So do like 10 arm circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright? And then do some of these, just like this. Just warming up the shoulder, and then do a couple more, and then you're gonna do so we did backwards arm circles. Now we'll do forwards. So just warm up the shoulder, warm up the arm, because this is really important when you're doing dodgeball, to warm up properly. You don't want to just throw your hardest right away. All right, so yeah, do these arm circles, and then do some of these scissors, and then along with the scissors, pull your arm like this, and then that'll stretch the shoulders. But just do a couple seconds. Don't hold it. Do like a couple seconds. All right, one more, and then so once you're warmed up a little bit, the actual technique is and then you can warm up your legs a little bit too, with some hip stuff, but I'm not gonna get into that in this video. But let's dive right into it. So to actually throw the dodgeball fast and hard, or really hard, is so you're gonna hold, this is foam dodgeball specifically. This is for a foam dodgeball. Foam dodgeballs are really fun to throw. They're really awesome. The rubber dodgeballs are they're gonna go a lot faster, obviously, but these ones are particularly good to throw. So just hold it like this. Just hold it like hold it like however you want, really. Like, you don't have to. The grip isn't super important as long as you have a good grip on it, and then you can either hold it like this if you're used to that, like baseball throw, or you can hold it like this. So when you're throwing, you're gonna get some momentum. Like, say you want to, it depends what you're doing. If you're like trying to get somebody from far away, you might want to do a crow hop like this. So it's basically step behind your right leg and then go like that, and then so it's using your legs a lot if they're in the back. But if they're in the front, you might just want to take all the weight on your back leg, and then just use that force to power through it. And so that's the lower body part of it. The upper body is just like, make sure you do like a full arm circle. That's gonna be like the most power. So like, and then you're throwing it from like, at least the lowest you should be is your shoulder lined up with your elbow. So it shouldn't be like throwing it like sidearm. That's gonna kill your arm. That's gonna kill your shoulder. So just do like, I like to do like just arm circles, just like this, like even just like boom, and throw it from like right here, and then just like follow through. So yeah, you have the lower body, use that, go off your back leg and just boom, and then point out whatever you're throwing at to make it accurate, fast and accurate. Point out whatever you're throwing at. So say I'm throwing it at the camera, I'm gonna point right there, and then I'm gonna like tuck my shoulder in, just like you're throwing a baseball, just like you're pitching. So point at, or you can point your elbow at it if you want to. So I'll just show you. Obviously I'm throwing it against the wall. I just barely warmed up, but so back leg, so off the back leg, and make sure you aim low. All right, aim low. I would say knees and below, so they can't catch it. Because if you aim right here, they're just gonna catch it right here on the stomach or the chest. It's gonna be easy to catch, but it's not easy to catch when it's right here. So aim low, shins preferably, like the middle of the shins is a good spot to aim. Even even right here, like, is a good spot to aim. So thank you so much for watching. That's how to throw a dodgeball, fast and hard, or really hard. Thank you so much for watching. And just a quick story. I used to be like depressed and stuff, and Jesus really changed that. He gave me joy and laughter and freedom, and I experienced like so much joy from that. So from him, and he's just amazing. The more I sought out Jesus, the more I became free and the more joy I experienced. And he's not gonna, you definitely have to seek him to really find that freedom, because like I used to care a lot about what other people thought as well, but now I don't care as much what other people think, just from because Jesus is just has grown me in that area and grown me in so many areas. So Jesus is so good. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to hear more about Jesus and stuff, click my Instagram, and also if you want a free six-pack PDF, click the link in the description as well. I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.